experienced torque wrench works.
What's your why it wouldn't work? See?
Hey, it seemed like a lot.
Man.
It ain't nothing. I want to start this motherfucker and be no fucking hole crusher. And you really have to fit. Alright. You know what has a good ratchet? I don't know if they have it in stock anymore, but O'Reilly's had the Ingersoll Rand air ratchet and gun.
Yeah.
I actually thinking of going to buy it. So those are rare to find, and dude, they last you a long fucking time.
I used to like the old Ingersoll Rands, the metal casing, not the new ones, the lightweights.
Oh, O'Reilly's has the old, the chrome one.
Yeah, the chrome
the chrome with the black.
Yeah,
they have
that's the good one. The new ones, I don't like them.
I still have mine. I've had that thing since I started working. Shit. Probably 28 years now.
Now, when they came in with the new ones, the lightweight, the gray one with the red, I didn't like those.
See if we're gonna make this good. I like the time you put the whole thing in and you forgot to seal it. You remember that?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's leaking oil.
Like a motherfucker too.
So let me check. Oh, you're supposed to have something in there? Yeah, George, calm down.
Oh, it was on the
blue one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how we ended up working on that car.
Fuck yeah.
That's what started the money thing. Look, just so you know, not to interrupt you, but just so you know, when you got these, and that's why I do it this way, is see how you have a nice little squeeze of silicone?
Yeah.
See how you have a nice pinch of silicone in the corners?
Yeah.
That's how you're supposed to have it. When you over torque it, like, I know it's tight, but when you over torque it, see how some of it lips out like that? Yeah. That's the bad thing about cork gaskets. So you gotta go in there. That's why I do it by hand, to make sure, because some of them you'll see like this, it'll be like out here. It's like really bad. I've seen it. I've seen people do it. It's like, oh, okay, how did you do that? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It needs to hold on.
No, where's the big button? See? Mexican engineer, man.
I lost my Mexican card, fuck.
Best
All I can tell you, fool, is this looks gay. You're gonna have to paint it black.
Paint it black?
Yeah, that don't look right. It looks so bad.
You see, looks gay.
You got like a mini funnel? Or just try to aim.
Oh! I got a donation for your shop.
Okay.
So we don't fucking burn the other one. Look, guys.
This is an old school with the filter and everything. Where'd you find this at?
Online.
No shit. Dude, these are like old school.
Joe, she like, why you need those for? Like, because the fucking Belair.
Yep.
No, this came out of the box that Tim had. If it's transmission and we took it off here, Marsha?
Yeah, we took it off here.
It was right here.
Okay.
Solder. Cord.
That's what we're talking about. Those
Motor mounts.
there they are. Okay.
See, that's why they want my shit.
A lot of times you can see the mushroom. See it?
Yeah.
And then where you put it back this way. You always, not that it matters, but you always want to put it right back in the same spot that you had it. my freaking thread. Come on. Alright, there we go. Now go down. Okay, hang on. How does that mount look on that side?
On this side is good.
It's in already?
It's in already. Yeah.
Okay. What's wrong is I got the transmission off to the side. Let me see a big screwdriver or pry bar. Push in on the push in on the engine itself, not the hoist, but the engine. Because it's almost in. Like, there you go. Oh, I got one side. Hang on. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Shit.
Woo, let's go. All right, go down.
Go down.
Go down.
You said we're done or go down?
No, go down.
Oh, go down like we're done.
Come on. Damn.
Oh.
Right there.
Right there, huh?
Another load. Yep.
Holy shit. Damn, Joe. You know my property value is going down right now?
Why?
Because I got a Ford parked in my driveway.
Man. Hell no, you probably gained $40,000. It's like going sky high.
Say what?
Well, you know I'm putting your motor in. I'm gonna leave something loose. Fall right in.
It's right on.
Huh?
I can see the hole is on it.
Not on this side though.
So it needs to go.
Like,
Let me go inside.
let's see, throw up some more. I want to see what it does. Just to see. Just go up. Okay, stop. Alright. Now slowly go back down. Let's see if we can tension it to move it.
Alright, going down.
Okay, come on. Bingo! I don't know what you did, Probably like me. I just fucking have it in my hair and my eyes. Well, you don't have it in your hair. That it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. You got 3 of them?
Yeah.
Alright.
The flashlight is
We still got the gun down there?
yeah.
Okay. Where are you? Can you reach that?
Yeah.
Okay. Flashlights where?
On top of the toolbox.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, you bitch. I laid that on top of a socket.
We're playing around. Get a shorter half-inch extension if you have it, please.
Yeah.
We're almost, we're pretty much done under here. Other than we gotta put the starter in. But we can't put the starter on until you buy a harmonic balancer so that we can turn the flat to tighten that up. But for the most part, we're in. So that's the little part. Now, we did the major part, getting it in and setting it down and everything.
So you're telling me we're not going for a ride, right? God damn it, Joe.
Unless I'm gonna push you around the block. I gotta admit, that's a totally different look on the motor. It actually looks pretty clean.
What,
The way you painted it to match the truck?
and he only gonna beat the air cleaner on top.
Yeah. Where's your,
I don't like the original blue. That came with the, I think it was up to 77.
I would have done it orange. I know you don't like orange either.
Well, I got that one orange. That one is next. That one right there.
That one needs a lot of work.